Hey, what's going on? Andre Miller here with a brand new video for you because I know there's a lot of people online who doesn't own a computer. You don't have a computer, you don't have a laptop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online, $1,000 with your smartphone. So if you got a phone, you can make some money right away. So if this is your first time here, my name is Andre, and on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I could share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can create a life of freedom. So if it's your first time here, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the bell notification because every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know so you can be ahead of the game of everybody else. So if you're looking for my number one recommendation, I highly, highly recommend you check out the first link in the description for you to know more about it, and I can send it over to you right away. So for my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always good to have you here over and over again. So I know a lot of people don't have a computer, don't have a laptop, just what I just said earlier. And you have your phone and you want to make money and you don't know how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online, $1,000 with your phone. So what you're going to do, you're going to go on a specific website. So you're going to pull out your phone. I'm sure you're probably watching this on your phone already. So you're going to go over to a specific website that is called justanswer.com. Now wait for a second. I'm going to show you how you can make money with your phone using this method. So stay with me all the way to the end. So on this particular website, it's a website that has a lot of different professions. So if you have some expertise, maybe tax and finances, lawyer, mechanics, maybe you know how to fix cars, maybe you're a doctor, you're a nurse, and you're looking to make some little money on the side as well. Maybe you're a vet, you're an electrician, you're a plumber, you know something about plumbing, you've been working so hard fixing pipes all this time. You can use your expertise to make money. Maybe you know how to fix phone. Maybe you know how to fix electronics, even computers and softwares. Who knows? So with this website, it's called justanswer.com. You can make money just by, whether it's through email or through phone. You can reach out to someone and someone can, not you gonna reach out to someone, people gonna reach out to you. Let me just rephrase that for a little bit. So people are going to reach out to you for your expertise. So you're going to get on the phone. So let's say you know how to fix a refrigerator. Somebody's refrigerator is broken down and they are looking for you to fix it. So they're going to come on this specific website and they're going to call someone, hey, I need some help to fix my refrigerator. So what they're going to do, they're going to pair you with that customer so that way you can get started. So you can see behind the scenes of how it works. You ask questions, connect in minutes, save time and save money. This is if someone is looking to partner with you so they can get their questions answered right away. So some of the questions that people ask, like right down here, as you can see, I'm a physician. My employer and local court forced me to violate medical ethics, employer policy. I'm pretty sure statute or at least case law with a search warrant for a prisoner. I don't know what that is, right? So this is how you're going to answer. If you can preview some of the answer, you can click on here to see what people are doing. So if you like to become an expert, you want like to become an expert, just click on here where it says become an expert, and then you're going to pick whatever category that you are good at. So if you're good, let's say animal behavior appraisal, maybe you know how about boats, maybe you're a mechanic, you know how to fix cars, computer, consumer, all that type of stuff. So once you click, even homework, look at that, homework, maybe you're good in a specific subject, math, English, physics, chemistry, and you want to use your knowledge. So once you come on here, you can pick whichever one that you want. Let's say home improvement, you know how to fix it. Specialist, you can click on HVAC, there's landscaping, plumbing, pool and spa. Small, there's some UK appliance, there's UK plumbing. So it seems like they have a vast amount of work. It could be worldwide, don't quote me wrong. Some countries it will work, some countries it won't. You just got to find out and see what works for you. So earn money offering your services online so you become an expert. And what if you're not an expert? What if you know someone that could use this to make money online using their phone? You can refer this to someone. So you could sign up for their referral program, know someone who would make a great expert. You can earn $50 each time someone sign up through your affiliate link. So you can make money both ways. So even if you get an Amazon gift card, you can cash out that Amazon gift card and you can make money, or you could just take that money, you could buy something. So each time someone sign up for this, you make $50 Amazon gift card. So if you don't know where to find people, you can go on Facebook. Maybe you got a friend. Maybe you can go on Instagram. There's so many different platforms that you can go. But this is only if you don't have any expert and you want to refer someone to it. So right here, as you can see, you can work when you want from anywhere once you get approved and make money, right? Offer your services online. Join us in our mission to help people with their expertise with this specific platform. So top experts are earning $1,000 each month just by helping. So you could click apply. You could, as I said before, you can make $1,000 with your expertise. It all depends what you know, and you can use that knowledge to earn money using your phone. So here's another website that does the same thing. It's called ether.com. So we make it easy to sell what you say. So you get your free Ether phone number. So let me just zoom in on this so you could see. So you get a free Ether phone number, which is good. They're going to assign you. So you sign up for it. So it's like a 188 My Ether number with extension. And then they're going to call you on your cell so you can work from home and you can get some of the jobs. So it takes up to 2 minutes to set up and it's free. You set your rate of how much you would like to get paid. So that is even good as well. So how much your time is worth, you could put $75 an hour, $15 an hour, or $30 per call. $30, you could set it so people can reach out to you and you could call. So you take calls only when you want. You could set your own schedule, just like how I said. You set up your phone, you put your Ether phone number on your business card, website, blog, wherever, and so people can find you. Your actual phone number is kept private, so you don't want to put your personal phone number because people are going to call you at some ungodly hours. I need you and I need some help. Can you fix my toilet? How can I get this fixed? Well, if you want that, you can put your real phone number, but make sure you put the number that you set up and put at a time where people can reach you. So click to call, people are going to reach out, and phone me the money. Look at that. So you get the job done. The only thing with this, Ether commission is like 15%. There's no monthly fees. There's no setup. There's no connection fees. So they will take like a 15% of what you earn. So if you want to put $50, do keep in mind they're going to take 15% of that. So 15% of that is likely, I don't know, do the math, roughly around $8 and something. Could be more. So do this, sign up for this, and you can, sell content on the web as well. You can earn money via email. You can sell any digital content. So such as like photos, podcasts, videos, anything that can help the client, you could do that. So this is pretty cool. Just get on the phone and you could just solve people's problems and you can make money. So that's what I wanted to say in this video. You can earn $1,000 with your phone. You could set how much would you like to do, and how much you would like to get paid. You could come over here and you can, these are the FAQs, just to see what some of the questions you can get answered right away. So that's it. That's how you can make $1,000 online with your phone. Hope you enjoy this video. Once again, my name is Andre. And if you do enjoy it, like, subscribe, share with someone who you think will use this video. And don't forget to drop me some comments in the comment section. I always like to hear exactly what you think and how I can help you. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Check out my #1 recommendation. My name is Andre, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.